Hi guys, how are you? Well, today we are going to discuss about conditional type 2. Well, conditional type 2 is used to explain what's unreal, which doesn't represent the reality on the ground of conditions which completely untrue, and the formula is if plus verb 2, which is in the dependent clause, and modal verb plus v1, which means verb 1 in the main clause. So based on this formula, you can create conditional type 2 in short, right? So let's take a look at some of these examples in detail. If I were you, I would live there. Now, living there, which is explained in the main clause, relies on being you. So there is no way that, in short, I'm not you. If I were you means I am not you. So I don't live there means that, right? So living there depends on being you. So from the very beginning that I'm not you, so I don't live there means that, which is untrue, opposite to the reality on the ground. Of course, it explains my wish, which is living there based on one precondition, that is being you. So I'm not you. So I don't live there means that. And then the second example is if you studied well, you could pass the exam, right? So there is one precondition that you can pass the exam, that is studying well. So passing the exam depends on or relies on studying well, right? So you do not study well, so there is no way that you can pass the exam. So in short, you do not study well, so you can't pass the exam, which is equivalent to if you studied well, you could pass the exam. And then she could go to the party if she got money, right? So going to the party depends on getting money, right? So it means she doesn't get money, so she can't go to the party, which is equal to she could go to the party if she got money. If she got money means she doesn't get money. So she could go to the party, which means that she can't go to the party. And then the last one is I would ask him if I didn't understand well. So I don't ask him, right? Because I understand well. But what happens here if I didn't understand? Which means I understand well. Since I understand well, so I don't ask him. So asking him relies or depends on not understanding, which means that if I understand well, I don't ask him. But if I understand well, I don't ask him. But if I don't understand, well, I ask him. But now this sentence is talking about if I didn't understand, which means I understand. But if I didn't understand, I would ask him. So now, since I understand, well, there is no way that I ask him. So I don't ask him mean that. In short, this is what we call conditional type 2. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much.